Hello little champs. Again welcome in our English to virtual class. And as you know beta, our chapter number 4.1 a little fish was finished. Okay, so in this video ma'am is going to explain our notebook work. Okay, our exercise. So all are ready? Yes. So you can see here this is our textbook PDF. है ना? And this is notebook work. Okay, see, learn and write. That means this new word you have to write in your notebook. Okay, all are ready? 2 times you have to write in your notebook new words. Got it? Yes. So see, let us start our new words. Wait. Yes, number 1 is million. million. Million, that means 10. Product of thousand and thousand. Fine. Number 2, contented. That means satisfied. Number 3, meshes. Now what is the meaning of meshes? MESHES. Meshes, that means a network of wire or thread to कैच होल्ड ऑफ समथिंग. कुछ पकड़ना होता है तो ये जो नेट होती है ना वो वायर की और थ्रेड की होती है ना, इट्स कॉल्ड मैसेज. नंबर 4 इज FLOUNDERING फ्लॉन्डरिंग. ओके, दैट मीन्स स्ट्रगल. फ्लॉन्डरिंग, दैट मीन्स स्ट्रगल. नंबर 5 इज स्प्लैशिंग. ऐसे ऐसे करते हो ना, स्प्लैशिंग. यस, दैट मीन्स साउंड मेड विथ लिक्विड. पानी में ऐसे ऐसे आप करते हो ना, हाँ, इट्स कॉल्ड स्प्लैशिंग. नंबर 6, हॉल. दैट मीन्स टू पुल विथ एफर्ट्स, है ना. पुल और पुश हमने सीखा इन लास्ट चैप्टर, है ना. नंबर 7 इज एम्प्टी. सो हियर दैट मीन्स एम्प्टी, हियर EMPT. एम्प्टी का पास्ट फॉर्म है IED. ओके, एम्प्टी दैट मीन्स ब्लैंक, है ना. Yes, what is the meaning of empty? That means to remove the content. Number 8, regal. WRIGGLE, regal, but here W silent है बेटा. Okay, so pronoun क्या होगा? Not regal, it's regal. Fine. So regal, that means, what is the meaning of regal? Regal, that means twist and turn quickly. Twist and turn quickly. And number last is warning. That means in Hindi it's called chetavni, a serious message. Okay, so this you have to write in your notebook 2 times. Now see, question answer. Number 1, answer the following question. That means question answer. How to write question answer? Let us see. Question 1 is how many fish are there in the sea? sea में कितनी fish होती है? बहुत सारी, है ना. See here, FISH, fish. So बेटा fish का singular, if singular is there, so उस fish ही होता है. fish का singular and plural both same, fish ही होता है. Got it? So see how to write the answer. ये there है वो आगे आ जाएगा तो T should be capital, there, R का R, and answer is million of. Okay, million, just you have to remember only millions of. फिर fish का fish in the sea. Okay, understood how to write the answer. There are, there का there ऊपर से there लिखना है, T आगे आ जाएगा तो T कैपिटल. There are millions of fish in the sea. Okay, in the sea वो तो क्वेश्चन में से ही कॉपी करना है. Now question number 2, why was the little fish unhappy? Little fish क्यों unhappy? Unhappy and not happy and sad ये similar है. ओके, सो क्यों अनहैप्पी थी लिटल फिश? सो सी, द सो द आगे आ जाएगा तो अगेन टी कैपिटल. यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस थिंग इन द फर्स्ट लेटर इन द इंग्लिश. फर्स्ट लेटर शुड बी कैपिटल एंड द एंड ऑफ द सेंटेंस फुल स्टॉप. सो द शुड बी कैपिटल, टी शुड बी कैपिटल. द लिटल का लिटल, फिश का फिश, was not happy. Unhappy, not happy, both are same. Not happy because, why? Because he was very small. क्योंकि वो बहुत छोटी थी. Isn't it? Yes. Now number 3. What did the little fish विश टू बी, ये जो लिटिल फिश थी ना हमारी, उसको क्या बनना था, उसकी विश क्या थी? यस, सो सी अगेन, द का द, लिटिल फिश का फिश, विश विश, वाई? बिकॉज हम पास्ट में लिख रहे हैं, है ना, पास्ट फॉर्म. सो द लिटिल फिश विश टू बी लार्जर, उसको बड़ा बनना था. Isn't it? Yes. Now question number 4. What happened to the fish one day? One day क्या हुआ? What happened? So the fish got caught. C-A-U-G-H-T. Caught is a past form of catch. Fine. तो वो लोग पकड़ा गई थी ना सारे फिश नेट में. Yes. So the fish got caught in the meshes of a great net. Fine. Now number 5. Why was the fish thankful to be a little fish? सो अब लास्ट में जो हमारी फिश है वो क्यों थैंकफुल है? वाओ, थैंक गॉड, ओह माय गॉड, थैंक यू कि मैं लिटल हूँ, स्मॉल हूँ. वाई? सो सी, द फिश वॉज थैंकफुल टू बी अ लिटल फिश एज ही वॉज एबल टू come out of the meshes of the net because of its small size. So जो हॉल होता है ना बेटा नेट का इतना सा, उसमें से ये छोटी ही फिश निकल सकती है ना. बिग फिश होती तो वो निकल पाती? नो. सो बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स स्मॉल साइज, वो स्मॉल थी, दैट्स वाई. तो वो नेट में से वापस बाहर आ गई, स्लिप हो गई, है ना, नेट में से वो पानी में वापस गई. Isn't it? That means वो बच गई. Thank God. Isn't it? The fish was thankful to be a little fish as he was able to come out of the meshes of the net because of its small size. Fine. Understood the question answer? So this 5 question answer you have to write in your notebook. Now see, give the synonyms of the following. Synonyms, that means similar word. Okay, both meaning should be same होना चाहिए. Little, tiny. Little means be small, छोटा सा. Tiny means be small, छोटा सा. Small नहीं लिखेंगे, big है तो small जाएगा, but little है तो tiny. Okay. Number 2, unhappy. So unhappy, sad, है ना, not happy, empty, blank. So what is the synonyms? Vacant. Okay, vacant. Number 4 is cool. So उसका भी synonyms cold, both same, cool and cold, ठंडा. Number 5, happy. So joyful. 6, contented. That means satisfied. Fine synonyms. Okay, next. Now this is read and learn portion, है ना. So don't ignore this portion beta, because this will become in your periodical exam, Google form, and as well as your half yearly exam. Fine. See, number 1, question number 3, choose the correct option. 1 is, what is the story all about? ये जो हमारी story है वो किसके regarding है? Option A, many million. Option B, one small fish, and option C, 100 fish. So who is the hero of our story? One small fish. Okay. Now number 2, why was the little fish unhappy? क्यों unhappy थी? Because he was very big? No. Because he had no friends? No. Because he was very small. Option B is correct answer. Now third number, who wriggled through the mass and slipped back into the water. Water में कौन चला गया? Wriggle, that means what is the meaning of twist and turn? Okay, कौन slip हो गया water में again? The biggest fish, the longest fish, or the smallest fish? Answer is the smallest fish. Okay, fine. Now see question number 4, write true or false. Now what you have to do that you know. First number, the little fish had everything in the seas to make him contented. उसको सेटिस्फाई बना सके ऐसा उसके पास सब था. Isn't it? Yes, so this is true. Number 2. The little fish was very happy because he was very small. Oh, isn't it? No, the little fish was unhappy. है ना? Yes, so this is false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Number 3. The little fish wished to be larger. उसकी wish क्या थी? उसको बड़ा बनना था. है ना? So this is true. And 4 number, the little fish managed to come out of net. Net में से बाहर आ गई. उसने manage किया, try किया. Yes, he was regal. है ना? Yes, so this is true. Okay, got it? Fine. Now see question number 5. Fill in the blanks. So see बेटा here जो highlighted portion है ना वो आपकी blanks है ना. Million, unhappy, little, happier and everywhere. Okay. See one number there are a great many dash fish in the seas. So correct answer million. M-I-L-L-I-O-N, million. Number 2, the little fish was dash because he was so very small. So the little fish was unhappy. Correct answer is unhappy. Number 3 is the little fish wished to be anything but a dash fish. कुछ भी चाहिए था उसको, but कैसा नहीं बनना था? Dash fish, little fish. उसकी wish थी उसको little fish नहीं होना था, है ना? So correct answer is little. 4 number, if little fish was larger, अगर वो larger बड़ी होती, how dash, how happier, है ना? How happier, H-A-P-P-I-E-R, happier. And number last, the little fish swam here and there and dash and everywhere. Fine, understood? Fill in the blanks. Okay, now see, give opposite, ulta. One, more than one, that means many. One, many. More, less. More, less. Okay? Full, empty. Full that means भरा हुआ, empty that means खाली. Up, down, dirty, clean, everything, nothing. Fine? Understood? All? Okay. And question number 7, last question, give rhyming words. Fish, F-I-S-H, fish, D-I-S-H, dish, H-A-R-D, heart, C-A-R-D, car, N-E-T, net, B-E-T, bat, or W-E-T, wet, both. New, dew or few, day, clay or bay, clear, dear, well, sad. Okay, understood? So hope you understood this whole worksheet. So whatever written portion that you have to write in your notebook, and after this is must activity. Okay, so what you have to do in activity, you have to draw one fish and paste the colorful papers, cut and paste. See how to, that ma'am already explained. See, draw any fish and paste colorful strip. आपको colorful strip same मैम ने किया है. In this manner you have to do. Okay. So thank you for watching. Bye bye everyone. Bye. Take care.